Fire escape inspection summary video. This is Inspector Alan Toll. I'm here at system number 2 on 333 Fulton in San Francisco. The system itself is in relatively good order. As I mentioned, for system 1, in order to certify this fire escape, we need to load test it, do a full restoration load test, an integrated load test, where we replace some of the existing hardware, and then load test what isn't done, and then or we can provide an opinion affidavit stating that to the best of our information, knowledge, and belief, this fire escape is ready for its intended use. In order to do that, we need to get approval from the owner's insurance carrier and from the city, and also that fire escape engineers in the city will be held harmless. But the system itself is in good order. Been recently painted, appears to be structurally sound. However, I can't pass this today because of the egress at the bottom of the system. Again, this is 6 platforms. All original hardware. It's a pass-fail inspection, kind of your typical situation. We get this little angle here for egress out of these windows, but ladder appears to be in good order. They have this bird screen, which is a concern to me from a use standpoint. I'll show you mostly down below. So I'm going to continue down a couple of levels here. As you can see, it's been recently painted. I have the same concern to make sure that no internal rust was painted over without being treated. However, the connections appear to be in good order. The treads could make sure that we caulk into some of these openings, but I don't see any indications of any internal rust. But again, I can't see everything that's underneath the paint, but the connections back to the building look good for the seat, for these eye channels coming out, cantilevered out, picking up this load. So again, down on the first level from the top, you can see that connections appear to be in good order here and here. Again, original hardware, railings good and solid, new paint. Some of the connections appear to be, can't verify these for sure, but I would say there's really not much to be done for the system itself. However, I'm going to move down to the first level. I'll show you what my concerns are.